Hello, today I will show you 4 budget-friendly accommodations with a view of the Eiffel Tower in Paris. All 4 places had a price range of $400 to $600 per night based on the shoulder season. Please understand that most of the introduction video will be replaced with photos due to camera issues. Here's a summary of the 4 hotels I will introduce today. The first hotel is Citadines Tour Eiffel Paris. The rate for one night, including breakfast for 2 people, is about $500 in the mid-range. The rates vary by booking site, so please refer to the comments below. The hotel is located very close to the Eiffel Tower. It is located about a 17-minute walk from the Eiffel Tower, and there was a McDonald's and a Starbucks supermarket right next to it. Among the accommodations with a view of the Eiffel Tower, the room condition was good, and it had the best value for money. Each room had a different view, and this particular room had a really great night view. It was very useful to have a kitchenette, and there was also a bathtub in the bathroom. The building is a bit old, but I liked everything else. I highly recommend the Eiffel Tower view, the location of the accommodation, and the breakfast. For more detailed information, please refer to the description below or the pinned comment. The second hotel is Hyatt Regency Paris Etoile. The rate is around $500 per night for 2 people, including breakfast. The rates vary by booking site, so please check the comments below. The hotel is located far from the Eiffel Tower. The hotel is about 18 minutes away by bus number 82. It is a large high-rise hotel with a great view from the rooms. There was a sense of distance, but the high-rise view offered an open perspective that was truly artistic, and the room condition was excellent, as expected from a brand hotel. The hotel was large, so the breakfast restaurant was spacious and the service was good. For more detailed information, please refer to the description below or the pinned comment. The third hotel is La Comtesse. The price for one night, including breakfast for 2 people, is $550. The rates vary by reservation site, so please check the comments below. The hotel was located close to the Eiffel Tower, about a 15-minute walk away. Considering the hotel's condition, location, and price, it was really a good choice. Each room had a different view of the Eiffel Tower, but the superior side view offered a satisfactory view and room condition for the price. The croissant and pain au chocolat were so delicious that I can't stop thinking about them, and the atmosphere of the breakfast restaurant was also quite nice. Here is a summary of the hotel information. For more detailed information, please refer to the description below or the pinned comment. The last place I want to introduce is Hôtel Raphael. I really wanted to introduce this hotel, but it is suddenly undergoing renovation in 2025. It seems that reservations will be available starting in 2026. It is located right next to the Arc de Triomphe in Paris. Both the exterior and interior of the building were beautiful, especially the interior, which was very vintage and reminded me of the Seoul Imperial Palace Hotel I visited last year. I look forward to the hotel being beautifully renewed, and I will conclude today's introduction of the Eiffel Tower view accommodation. We will now move on to Strasbourg. After this, please look forward to introductions of other accommodations in Colmar, southern France, and Italian Switzerland. Thanks for watching my video.